Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking at some of the things you need to start a YouTube channel and hit that 1000 subscription on your YouTube channel. With that, let's roll the intro. Let's start with gear. When it comes to gear, you don't need a lot of fancy gear to start a YouTube channel because we can do almost everything on our smartphone. I myself film 90% of my videos on smartphone. In fact, a friend of mine, Dan, produced a short film on iPhone X which won couple awards, and that's amazing. By the way, Dan is also a person who run couple workshop a year that helps people use their phone to produce music video, short film and storytelling. I will leave his link below so you can go to his website and see. You may be asking yourself, what kind of videos should I upload? That's a very good question. You can upload almost anything on YouTube. You just need to sit down and think about what you enjoy doing and what you're good at doing. You can film yourself doing those things and there you go, you already have a video. How do you get to 1000 subscription? There is millions of people visiting YouTube every single day. If you are consistent and you're uploading something unique and you are uploading on the schedule most of the time or all the time, people will definitely subscribe to your YouTube channel. All you have to do is just keep uploading and uploading and uploading. There will be people who would love to subscribe to your YouTube channel because they just want to see what are you gonna do next. My friend Ahadi just started his YouTube channel over 2 weeks ago and he already uploaded 4 videos because he's uploading 2 videos a week and his subscription is growing very quick. That's a very good example. All you have to do is find what you enjoy doing and be consistent about it, and people will love what you do and people will subscribe to you. I will put his channel below. The other channel that I see growing quickly and becoming bigger and bigger every time is my friend Paulina. She's uploading weekly video and she's uploading same day and similar hours. Therefore, like when a person comes to a YouTube channel says she's uploading consistently every week, I will subscribe to a YouTube channel to see what she's gonna come up with. Eventually you will get to 1000 subscription. All you have to do is be consistent and enjoy what you do. People will come to your YouTube channel. How do you know what's the best time or best day to upload your video on YouTube channel? That is something different with every country. I think the best way to find out what's the best time to upload for you is by going on Google and search what day and what time does people spend a lot of their time on the internet, and that way you will be able to attract those people spending their time on the internet to click on one of your videos. And of course, don't forget to share it with your friends and your family. So all you have to do is find what you love, film it, upload the right time and share it. With that, I wish you all the best. Before we go today, I have something to give away and it's right here. As I mentioned on my previous video, I want to help you achieve what you want to achieve. It could be anything, and so I will be giving away something once a month for this phase of my YouTube channel. And from the comments that I've seen, some of the people who have left comments on my previous video are the people who have been on my YouTube channel, and I want to be fair to everyone, so I wrote every single person name in here. I'm gonna give it a good shake and I'm gonna pick the person who's gonna win, and whoever wins, I wish to see your video and all the best. And the winner is RJ Musa. All the best, RJ Musa. I will be posting it to you. Please send me your details on my Instagram, and all the best everyone, and thank you so much for spending time with me. I will see you on my next video. Until then, take care.